Hi, Parsi JR. Happy birthday. Grabe, you're so far away, but do know I wish you all the best. I'm always praying for your good health and happiness and success, of course. I want to say thank you for your kindness throughout the years, your support, and for always being so kind and thoughtful. And I just have nothing but good words for you, and I just wish you that you'll always be healthy. And more power to you and your business, and I hope to visit you soon dyan, or sana makauwi ka rin dito someday soon. Until then, God bless you, and I love you so much. Take care. Bye. See you soon.
Hi, JR. I know that you are celebrating your birthday soon, and I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Kamusta ka na? Nako, thankful for your love and for your support. At alam mo ba na magta-25 years na ang unang hirit sa December? At alam kong bahagi ka nun. So, thank you for always being there. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and good health always.
Hi JR, happy birthday. Nako, para tayong June celebrants. I wish you all the best. Good luck sana sa iyong pang-araw-araw na buhay dyan, na mabuhay kayong mag-ina. And of course, I wish you all the best sa iyong kalusugan. Magkalayo man tayo, alam ko naman na medyo lagi ka namang in touch sa amin sa unang hirit. So, we miss you, and I hope someday makabisita ka na sa amin. I hope someday mapayagan ka nang pumasok sa studio. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa forever supporter ng Unang Hirit na si JR. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagmamahal sa Unang Hirit at sa bawat isa sa amin. Sana wag ka talagang magsasawa. And of course, I'm wishing you a very enjoyable and meaningful birthday celebration, JR. Sana you'll always be surrounded by your loved ones. And sana lahat ng mga wishes and prayers mo ipagkaloob sa'yo ng Panginoon. Sana rin ay makaluwas ka at makita ka namin very soon. We miss you, JR. We love you, and sana lagi kang nandyan para sa amin sa Unang Hirit. And of course, we're also here always for you. God bless you and have a great year ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. God bless you. We love you, JR. Happy birthday.
Hi JR! Naku, birthday mo na ulit. Happy birthday sa'yo, ha? Sana ma-enjoy mo ang special day mo, and ingat lagi. Happy birthday!
Hi JR! Happy birthday sa'yo. June 20th. Ingat ka lagi, ha? And always be God-fearing and stay healthy and happy. Bye!
Hi, JR! Happy birthday sa'yo. Naway magmaganda ang araw mo today.
Happy birthday, JR! God bless you, and may you have more birthdays to come. Mag-iingat ka. God bless!
Hey, JR! Kumusta, brother? Mateo here. Happy birthday, bro. Wishing you all the best. God bless you, and thanks for supporting. Ingat. Bye-bye.
JR, kumusta ka na? Happy birthday, ha? Sana patuloy kang maging masaya, malusog. All the best to you. Happy birthday.
June Romel Javier Galion, happy birthday. Tandaan, huwag susuko, huwag bibigay. Laban lang ng laban at laging harapin ang buhay with love and everything. This is your Net Mama / Reyna ng Kalsada. Laban niyo, Ver. Happy birthday. Mwah!
Happy birthday, JR. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.
Hi JR! Happy birthday! Ingat ka lagi! More blessings to come and more birthdays to come. Stay safe! Bye!
Hi, JR. Happy birthday sa'yo. I don't know what to say anymore kasi ang tagal na natin hindi nagkikita. Pero I just want you to know that ganun pa rin naman ako. It's just that yung time ang nagbabago, hindi ako. So, may you have a blessed birthday, have a blast, enjoy, and enjoy the rest of your life. At sana healthy ka lagi. All my prayers for you on your birthday.
Sa aking number 1 na supporter na si June Galion, happy birthday sa'yo. Pare, aking panalangin na biyaya ka ng Diyos ng kasaganahan, magandang kalusugan at kaligayahan. Lagi mong iisipin at huwag kakalimutan na ako at ang aking pamilya ay laging nandito para sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa suporta at pagmamahal na ibinigay mo sa akin mula noon hanggang ngayon. Sa iyong karawan, sana'y maging masaya at masagana ang iyong selebrasyon. Happy birthday, June.